This short video explains how I set up one of my freestanding rectangular tapestry frames. The top bar has a series of pegs spaced 4 to the inch. The same arrangement is to be found at the bottom, 4 pegs to the inch. Warping is done taking the warp thread from the top down to the bottom and back up. I use a setting of 6 warp threads to the inch across the entire width. The next step is to insert a shed stick between the front threads and the back threads. Then moving down to the bottom, I insert a further 2 shed sticks to give me a firm foundation. Just above the top of these sticks, you'll see a white spacing cord. This separates and equalises the distance between each individual warp thread. Above that, I weave a border of approximately 2 inches, once again to give me a firm foundation. Note that I am working from the back, thus I am able to control bobbins and the weft ends. The next step is to transfer from a sketch, a painting, a drawing, onto a sheet of tracing paper to achieve the full size of the finished tapestry I require. This is then placed between the front and the back threads, and marks are made accordingly onto the back of the warp threads, as you can see. The marks must encircle the entire warp threads, as during weaving these threads tend to twist, so it's important to encircle with the black mark the entire thread. This is now ready for weaving. All I need to do now is to take away the tracing and weaving can begin. I've already selected some of my yarns, as you can see. A view of my studio will show you something of my collection of objects, paintings and other ideas.